So hey there and welcome back to the channel. So if you have created a stunning presentation in Canva and want to record it as an MP4 video, you can do so quickly and easily. So before we dive in, make sure to check the link in the description box or in the pinned comment. So now let's get started without wasting any more time. This is a step-by-step guide, so make sure to follow all the steps perfectly so that you don't make any mistakes while you are converting into a MP4 video. So first of all, you have to go to canva.com, this site canva.com, then you have to tap enter, visit their official site. Now you have to open the presentation design you want to record. At the top right corner you can simply search for presentation and you will find a bunch of templates for it. For example, I'm gonna choose this one. This is pretty much nice. Now not this one, I'm gonna choose. Okay, first let me be clear that when you see this crown icon at Canva, this little crown icon, this means they are the premium templates. So in order to use them you need a premium account of Canva. So if you don't have a premium account, don't worry, you can also use a lot of free templates from Canva. For example, this one, just tap onto them and then tap use this customize this template. So after clicking on customizing the template, you can change it easily. Before we change it to the video into presentation, let me show you how you can customize the presentation. So if you want to edit this text on the presentation or logos and background etc., you can just simply double text the text. Let's start with the text. Okay, so double tap the text. Now you can see this option called little option called A. This is basically the text color. If you want to change the text color, you can just simply choose them from here. For example, I'm going to choose this little bit pinky color. As you can see, it has been edited. Now let's say that you want to change its font, so then double click again, then from here at the left corner you can have to tap onto this, and from there you will find a lot of text for free. These fonts are free, but there are also premium fonts at the bottom. You can see these are the premium ones. To use them you need a premium account. So for now I'll be choosing this option, this font. This is pretty cool. I found it pretty cool. Okay, this color is not suiting here, so let's change it back to the white one. Yeah, this is nice. Now if you want to resize them, you can see these circles and little bit square shaped boxes here. You just have to tap them so that you can change it. Okay, now let's say you want to make this text a little bit bolder, so just select them and you can tap onto Ctrl B or bold here and they will be bolded. Now if you want to make them italic, you can do this also, but I don't like italics that much, so I'm just gonna remove it. You can also underline them if you want. Okay, now you can choose the text where to start from. You can see them, so I'll choose this. Okay, this one is perfect. Let's make a space. No, the first one was perfect. This is nice. Now let's say you want to change this logo. So if you want to change it, first let me delete this one, and after then you can tap onto this elements icon here, tap onto that and search for what type of logo do you want. For me, I'm just gonna simply type logo and simply tap onto the one I like the most. And also if you already have an image, pre-made image, and you want to turn it into a logo, then from there you can choose these frames. Okay, these frames, for example, I'm going to tap onto these frames. I'm going to customize it a little bit, like smaller. Now you have to upload the image you want to make the logo of. So for me, I'm just gonna add a random image for it. Now let me show you how you can upload images and also make images for logo of the images from a single image. Let me show both of them at the same time. So if you want to do it, here you can see this option called uploads. You have to tap on uploads, and from there you have to tap on to upload files. Now you have to browse for the image you want to make the logo of. So for me, I'm just gonna choose this image. I like it pretty much, so I'm just gonna add it here. Now choose, if you want to choose another image, you can add it right there, and you can see this. So this is how you can edit the logo. And if you want to add the whole image to the background, just tap it to the middle, then drag and resize them, and after then you have to tap onto layer, and from layer you have to tap onto send to back. After you click on to send to back, as you can see, this is at the back, okay? And this is how you can set the background image of the logo. Now let me delete this one, as I don't like this. Let me delete this. Here you can see there are some type of home logos. These are also from here, the elements option. You can add them from elements. Just simply search for those type of logos and they will be added. Now let's talk about, you want to add some types of side logos. Then you have to search for like side design, and you will find a lot of designs here. So for me, I'm gonna choose this one. This does not go with this image, okay? Let's cancel it. So you just have to browse and search for the preferred one you want to add. So this is how you can also add logos. And after that, let me show you how you can record presentations in Canva to some types of MP4 format. If you want to make the presentation into a video format, on the top right of the editor, click the present button. Wait, let me make it larger again. Tap onto editing, and from there you can view this if you want it to. Here you can see. So now let's go to, you can tap onto present and you see this as autoplay. Tap onto present. So as you can see, this is now the template. From there you can tap onto create new designs and tap onto download. So you just have to choose the presentation you want to add, okay? Now let's leave this listing mode. Okay, wait. Now at the top right of the here, you have to search for the option called present button, okay? I'm just searching for the option present button. Here you can see this option present button. The drop down, choose present and record like this option, and then tap next. And this is how you have to tap onto go to recording side, and this is how you can use this, like start recording at the same time and video. So this is how you can do it, and then tap onto end recording, done, and this is how you can export it. For now I'm not just gonna export it. So this is how you can do it in simple steps. So if this video is helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.